Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious coleslaw mix. We'll start with the foundational ingredients, fresh cabbage and carrots. For a standard batch, you'll typically need 1 medium head of green cabbage, weighing around 2 pounds, and about 2 to 3 medium-sized carrots. Selecting crisp, fresh vegetables is key to achieving that perfect crunch and vibrant flavor in your homemade coleslaw. Let's get started on preparing these essential components. Now, let's prepare our vegetables for the mix. First, finely shred your 2-pound head of green cabbage. You can use a sharp chef's knife, a mandoline for uniform strips, or even a food processor with a shredding disc. Next, grate your 2 to 3 carrots using the larger holes of a box grater. After shredding, it's crucial to wash and then thoroughly dry all the vegetables. Excess moisture can dilute your dressing, so pat them very dry with paper towels. The dressing is what truly brings your coleslaw to life. For a classic creamy dressing, combine 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This provides a lovely tang. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to balance the acidity with a touch of sweetness. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix until everything is smooth and well combined. With your vegetables prepped and dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently pour the dressing over your shredded cabbage and carrots. Use a spatula or tongs to thoroughly mix, ensuring every piece of vegetable is evenly coated. This step is crucial for flavor distribution. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a more delicious and refreshing side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.